What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. So I wanted to talk about Terra Luna Classic in this video because it's going absolutely nuts, right? We're seeing this at levels to where people are asking me, is it going to get to this level this morning? And I said, it looks like with the volume, with how it's moving, it looks like it was going to get there. And we are very, very close. We got to some pretty decent highs, hitting some new highs, which wouldn't be surprised if by the time I post this video, we would see even newer highs. Now, I wanted to get into this. I wanted to break down what's going on today, the volume, maybe expectation, and where this is coming from. And then we have a lot of stuff to talk about. So there will be plenty of videos that I create today on Terra Luna Classic while also creating some other videos. So I may have like 4 to 5 videos posted today. So get ready for all of this. Anyways, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more videos like this one. Also, make sure you guys check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter at PerryAK, you can follow me there. Don't forget to check out my Patreon. Link is in the description. And you can get all of my buy alerts, my sell alerts, and my exit strategy spreadsheet, which I think is very important for people that are looking to take profit. So anyways, we're going to get into this. So Terra Luna Classic, if you didn't know, I was one of those rare people that decided to catch the falling knife as Luna was falling down so much. I saw this as an opportunity. Other people saw it as a falling knife and they didn't want to touch it. I caught it and said, look, you can gain so much out of it, right? There's so much potential out of this position and where it can go. And just bit by bit, piece by piece, everything started to lay out. Terra Rebels started to really get behind it. The community really started to get behind it. You started to see the potential burn, where I was talking about this literally at the moment of creation of these 7 trillion or close to 7 trillion coins. I said, if this burns down and if they decide to do something with these burns or with this supply, this could be huge. So the potential or the risk is worth whatever the potential could be. If you didn't know, I risked $40 on this investment. That's it. I'm putting out a shorts video soon about the $40 investment and all of that. So if you guys want more information on that, I definitely will provide that there. But again, Terra Luna Classic, as we saw this at a low level of 0.00015. So basically, you can get a million Terra Luna Classic for like $150. Somewhere at one point, it was $100, right? So $100 per Terra Luna Classic. That's amazing. And now, if you look back at that and you say, oh, well, you know what? I can get Terra Luna Classic for $100, you would take that any day of the week, because right now it costs $470 or $480 to buy 1 million Terra Luna Classic. That is huge. That is a big difference. And you would basically have, that 5x return as you're going through it, turning $100 into $500. So if you look at the price, we are very close to this new high for the past 24 hours, the new high for the past month or so. We're going to see as where we are today, the high being 0.0004839, and the low obviously being below that, to where you can pay $83 for a million. So again, if you saw this at that opportunity, you would say, hand me that. I will take that any day of the week. So what's the other numbers that we're seeing here? So market cap. Market cap is sitting at about $3 billion worth of a market cap. And at the high point, we were seeing a $3 billion market cap. We're currently seeing a $2.949 billion market cap. The fully diluted market cap is around $3.268 billion. Volume today, still down 2.6%, but we're seeing it at $2.5 billion. It's the second day in a row. 2.5 over $2 billion the second day in a row. We've seen this over $3 billion, or sorry, not over $3 billion. We've seen this over $1 billion for multiple days, $1.5 billion for a couple of days. So it's been making moves for these past however many days, getting it up to this level of 0.0005. So absolutely hype. Really excited about what's going on here. Now, what's the reasoning as to why we are seeing this? Well, we understand that we have the burn taxes coming up. The burn tax is a really, really big point to where they're going to be able to burn off a lot of the supply. Not only that, majority of people are actually looking to stake the position. They're holding on longer. So it's creating more of a higher value for this position, more desirable for a lot of people. You can see here by the circulating supply. This was at a 6.5 or $6.5 trillion, 6.5 trillion circulating supply. And you could see here that the total supply is still 6.9. So that means that about 400 billion has been added to the total supply, taken out of the circulating supply, meaning that they stake this much. Now, this should update again sometime soon within the next, I don't know, maybe week or month or so, but we should see this lower than that 6 trillion supply. We should see this where LUNC Penguin actually has it at, which is 5.9 trillion. So we're looking at a decrease of about 600 billion. So huge news in my opinion. Now, if we scroll down here, what we're going to see is we're going to look at the chart. Now, the chart throughout the day, as you scroll through, you're going to see that it was at a certain point to where it was pulling back. It was pulling back from some of these levels right here. You're seeing this fall down. This was September 3rd. Let's actually go back here. So it was pulling back from over here. It was at 45, pulled all the way back down, and people were like, all right, this is creating lower highs, lower lows. We want to see it break that. And that's exactly what it did. Someone in the live stream today called this out and said, it looks like it's ready to break out. With the candlesticks in the 1 minute chart, they were saying, hey, it looks like it's really going to break out today. And I was like, you know what? It really does look like it's going to break out. But kudos to them, whoever that person was. They called it out. I'm excited that it ended up breaking out. I'm excited that the descending level of support and resistance, ended up breaking, and we could see these higher highs. It breaks this point. That's definitely a bullish momentum. Breaks this point, huge bullish momentum, and then obviously breaking this point, the biggest momentum you can have, and you can see the shift well above that and how it did skyrocket from there. Now, we did see some consolidation, and it didn't fully pull back. Some people were like, hey, you know what? This is going to pull back at 45. And it looked like it was going to pull back a little bit, and it did pull back a slight bit. But after hitting a certain point, it just hit its stride. Recently, where you're seeing this, it did increase a hell of a lot. And then you see the stair stepping on the way up. After it hit this high, it's creating a higher high. Is it going to create a higher low, or is it going to fully resist from that 0.0005 level? So definitely excited what Terra Luna Classic is doing. We're going to get into all the detail as to what's going on, but the main reason that I would say that we're seeing this is because of two things, and I called it out. It's because of the staking that's going on, and it's because of the 1.2% burn. Everything that's going on within this, the crypto market doesn't really look, I'm not really sure if it looks crazy positive because it was negative this morning. I actually didn't take a look at it. So let's go ahead and look at the entire crypto market to see if it has come back. So it's still down. So it's not from the crypto market itself, even though they are seeing pushes back up. It's not from the crypto market itself. It's mainly with the fact that Terra Luna Classic just has a lot of hype behind it. Now, again, right now we are seeing a little bit of a pullback, and that's healthy. You want to see that healthy movement. And I've heard of people that are already taking profit. I've seen people that take $8,000 profit. Good for you. This is not something to where it's a sprint. It is a marathon. It's something that's going to take a longer time for this to play out. It may not be the most positive thing in the world for somebody right now, even though it's pretty positive, especially if you invested at the low. But if you invest at the high, it's not going to be something to where it's positive right now. It's going to continue with that positivity right now. It could, but there's always a chance that it could pull back. So right now we are in a comfortable state. I'm really happy. We're going to get into a bunch of other stuff when it comes to Terra Luna Classic and, predictions and all that stuff with these videos. But I'm definitely excited. So hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.